It just, but the niggas money talk back then. Money talk. You know what I'm saying?
That, and I think it's the risk reward. You know what I mean? You put it out back then, you likely to get killed.
Well, so
You
your
know,
homeboy,
because nobody like people know certain things and they
Yeah.
think you did it, then you're likely to get killed and get swept under the rug.
or his
right?
homeboy told, and they laughed him out of court, and
Right.
got,
But now you can get stuff put out there. You could become famous from it, and you have this kind
Mm-hmm.
of like not necessarily immunity, but you know it's really hard to get to somebody like
yeah. Back
that.
then it was just your word against mine. Now I can get the public on my side before I even.
before I even become scrutinized by you or you even find
Like,
out.
I may not get you in court, but the public opinion gonna
Yeah.
destroy you. You gonna get canceled.
Right.
The public opinion even worse,
Mhm.
right? The court case, look at Jonathan Majors, right? And what that did for his career, his court case was fine,
Killed them.
but how many endorsement stuff you lose from public opinion about you,
Movies and stuff.
a man beat or whatever else. Even after the fact, it's like I feel like when stuff come out after the fact, it don't help you. Look at Johnny Depp,
No.
right? That was crucifying him too. It's like now we found out old girl
They
crazy.
still
And it's
really
like
get no movies.
It's
people
kind of
still-
like
yeah.
these major corporations where they do something illegal, they make $10 billion off of it, and then the judge finds them, $3 million, right? And it's like, okay, they made $10 billion, they paid it $3 million, but there's never really the people that all their money got stolen or whatever like that. They never really get compensated in those cases. And the kind of same thing here. It's like, you get your name back, and somebody says, okay, you're good to go. You didn't do what you said you do, but I've already lost like 10 times
And
more
you
than
still
that.
don't, because like people still looking at you as the
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Well, that's
They
the
still think
brand-
that you did
that's
it,
the
yeah.
branding part
Mhm.
where, I didn't go to jail, but I'm lost all of the faith of people, and people still
Man wanna
turn
work
my
with
name
me.
still tarnished.